Hi everyone, I am Jonar Zem Awabon. I am from 3-11 BS Marie. The story I will share with you today is all about the Little Prince and Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So before I start, I want to ask, when I was the last time you saw the world like a child with joy and imagination? So this story reminds us to see life that way again. So the little prince once said, "It is only with a heart that one can see the right. What is important is invisible, the eye." This means the most important things in life like love, friendship, and kindness can't be seen but can't be felt in our heart. The Little Prince is about a young boy from a small planet who traveled a different world. On his journey, he met a strange adult, a king who rules over nothing, on a businessman who only counts a star, and a vain man who loves attention. Each planet he visits and teach him something about life and people. When he arrives on Earth, he met a fox who become his friends, and each time beautiful lesson about love and responsibility. You become responsible forever for what you have done. The Little Prince also met a pilot stranded in a desert. The storyteller of the book further talks the pilot remember that like to be young and care about the simple things that really matter. The storyteller or the story reminds us that adults sometimes forgot truly important love, friendship, and seeing the world with kindness and imagination. In the end, the Little Prince made me realize that growing up doesn't mean we should forget to love and to be happy. It teaches us to care for others, to enjoy simple things, and to see with our heart, not only with our eyes. The Little Prince said, "All growing up, when once a children, but only a few of them remember it." So, let's be the one who remember who never forgot how to love and to care for others. So, thank you for listening. I hope the Little Prince inspire you the same way it inspired me.